Well, good evening, everyone, and hello, YouTube. I'm doing Facebook Live quite often in addition to my video here on YouTube, so I thought I'd say hello to YouTube, all my viewers and listeners on YouTube. I'm William Brantley. I'm from the North Jackson, Tennessee area at University Village Apartments on Walker Road, which is near the Westtown Commons Shopping Center, about a mile north of Union University. Getting ready to share with you today's climate summary and give you a forecast for the next few days very shortly. Turned out to be a beautiful day today. We had a few clouds to go by from time to time. Got it mostly cloudy a few times, but nice and fair as well. And as of 5 p.m. here in North Jackson, it was partly cloudy, soon to be mostly cloudy, but as of 5 p.m. it was partly cloudy. The temperature was 91 degrees. The dew point was 63 degrees. The humidity was 39%. The wind was calm, and the barometric pressure was 29.97 inches of mercury. Now today's low temperature was 66 degrees here. The high got up to 94 degrees. We had 1/100th of an inch of rainfall here at University Village Apartments, and I believe it fell during the 4 a.m. hour. The lowest humidity today was 39% at 5 p.m. The highest would be 87% as of 7 a.m. this morning. Now the lowest barometric pressure today would be 29.97 inches. That occurred at 5 p.m. while the highest would be 30.10 inches, and that occurred at 12 a.m. Today's highest wind gust at the Jackson, Tennessee airport was 12 miles per hour out of the north, and that occurred at 12:39 p.m. Now the sun sets tonight at 7:29 p.m. and rises tomorrow morning at 6:25 a.m. The moon will be setting tonight at 11:14 p.m. and rise tomorrow afternoon at 1:03 p.m. Now today's records for August the 27th would be hottest high 102 degrees. That occurred in 1990. The coolest high would be 77 in 1992. The warmest low would be 75 degrees in 2004, while the coldest low would be 54 in 1958, and the record rainfall 1.40 inches today in 2005. Alrighty, that pretty much takes care of the climate data. I'll give you a few days forecast and 2 or 3 graphs, and I guess I'll be done for the night. It's going to generally be fair skies, partly cloudy, till around sunset, which is roughly a little over 40 minutes from now. And roughly it's going to start becoming mostly cloudy. We do have a 20% chance of a few scattered showers in the area, but most of them is south of us. But I'm going to throw it in there just to be sure. That should continue on the mostly cloudy conditions, that is, on into Monday. We have another 40% chance of some more showers and thunderstorms by daybreak tomorrow morning. They should end around lunch tomorrow and then be just mostly cloudy for the rest of Monday. We should have a low near 68 degrees, a high of 85 degrees tomorrow, with south winds at 5 to 10 miles per hour. And on Tuesday, it's going to be very cloudy conditions with a 40% chance of showers and thunderstorms by noon, then ending by tomorrow night at sunset, and then just be mostly cloudy, with a low near 66 and a high of 86, with southwest winds at 5 to 10 miles per hour. And by Wednesday, it looks like it's going to be mostly cloudy. Here's the good chance for rain and storms. There's an 80% chance on Wednesday till Wednesday night, then just mostly cloudy with a low near 65, a high of 86 with northeast winds of 5 to 10. Thursday, mostly cloudy with another 90% chance of showers and thunderstorms just about any time, day and night, but they won't be constant though. Still be on scattered to numerous basis. There will be a few breaks in them though, thank goodness. With the low near 66 and a high of 84, with east winds of 5 to 15 miles per hour, and most likely Wednesday and Thursday's rain may be, and I emphasize may be, the remnants of Tropical Storm Harvey that's pounding Texas for the last couple of days. And on Friday, it looks like we're going to have mostly cloudy skies with a 90% chance, even on Friday, of some showers and thunderstorms, decreasing to a 70% chance of just showers by Friday night, with a low near 67 and a high of 83, with east winds of 5 to 10 miles per hour. I'll go ahead and give you the weekend. Looks decent after Saturday night. It's going to be mostly cloudy with a 40% chance of showers till Saturday night, then just very cloudy with a low near 67 and a high of 84 with south winds of 10 to 20. And as of right now, it looks like Sunday and Monday is going to be two great days, which involves the Labor Day weekend. Sunday, fair skies with next Sunday the 3rd. Fair skies with a low near 67 and a high of 86 with south winds of 10 to 20. And next Monday week, September the 4th, Labor Day itself, mostly clear skies as of right now. It may change again, who knows, but mostly clear at the moment with a low near 67 and a high of 86 with west winds of 10 to 20. Alrighty, that's good enough for right now, I hope. You can go to my forecast page, which will take you one more day to Tuesday week, the 5th of September, and read that day's forecast if you'd like at southjacksonweather.wordpress.com if you'd like. Alrighty, let me move on to the local radar. This is courtesy of WREG TV out of Memphis, Channel 3. And let me turn the camera around so that you can see it too. There are a few scattered showers on the radar, but just not here in Jackson or West Tennessee for that matter. Well, there was a little tiny one down there just southeast of the heart of Memphis, and it's disappeared, so it's out of here. There's a few over in Middle Tennessee, east and southeast, southeast of Nashville, east of Tullahoma, down just north of Chattanooga, and over toward Cookeville, Tennessee, but they're not moving in our direction. And there's some down in northern Alabama, south of Florence, Alabama, but they're also dying down. And there's a very few isolated ones down in Mississippi. And then there was a big cluster there east of Little Rock, but they're gone. And a few more over in Arkansas, but it looks like they're fizzling out now that we're getting close to sunset. And that'll probably continue at least till tomorrow morning. And they may get a little bit closer to us toward tomorrow morning at noon, is the way it's looking right now. Alrighty, let's take a look at the. I want to give you two versions of the enhanced radar. First of all, the closer view of Tennessee. East Tennessee is in fairly good shape, except where those showers were. Here's West Tennessee, a closer view. As you can see, we're kind of in the partly cloudy area now. But as you can see, thicker clouds just south and west of Memphis is heading our way. So it won't be long before we go mostly cloudy here in Jackson. That's sort of a closer view there. Still pretty decent up north of us too, and northeast of us. But that's West Tennessee for you as of right now. Alrighty. Let me go to the Southeast Regional Enhanced. Shows you a wider view of the area. I'll start off in Tennessee like I always like to do. That's Tennessee there. You see how close the clouds are getting to Jackson. That little pin there you see is showing where Jackson is located on the satellite picture. And there's a lot of clouds to our southwest, and they're inching our way, toward our way, rather. That's what's left over of that tropical storm Harvey. It's still giving a lot of rain down in the parts of Texas. It's projected to move offshore just a little bit, not far from where it came in, and then go back in near Houston area and head due north almost to near Dallas, Texas, and then possibly, there's a chance, moving toward our direction after that. So we maybe get at least a remnants of the tropical storm. Won't be near the heavy rains that they're getting down there now, though. Ours will be more of a milder version, if that's the right word to say. And there's some clouds and storms off the coast of Georgia and South Carolina there. There's some rain and clouds down there in Florida, for those of you who might want to know about that. Other than that, that's pretty much it. And again, that's a good picture of West Tennessee up close. Alrighty, and I think there's one more. I can't believe I forgot it. The fall maps, surface map features. My goodness, I almost forgot to show you that one. Courtesy of Weather Underground. Now those are the two, the satellites photos were courtesy of AccuWeather. This one's courtesy of the Weather Underground. And there's really not any systems close by. There's a little weak trough up in Kentucky that's trying to touch the northern parts of Tennessee. That's essentially a super weak cold front. And there's the troublemaker, if you can call it that, the low off of the Georgia coast. We saw all that rain a while ago. It's a part of a long system of a stationary front. My gosh, that's a long one. Way out Atlantic to a low there, to another low there, and to another low right there, and yet all the way up to stationary front to Texas. My goodness. And there's tropical storm Henry, and probably going to move north just a little bit, back south, and then head back north again. We'll have to see how well that projection holds up. And there's another low in the front system to the north of us. There you see where it is. It swings on around to Idaho. And there's some more lows and highs out west. And that pretty much takes care of that map. Tennessee technically is in good shape for having no systems over it, except for that stationary front well south of us is down around along the Gulf Coast. Well, alrighty, I think that's it for tonight, for all the various maps and features and all that kind of good stuff. So I'll let you go and hope you enjoy the Sunday night's weather. Basically, going to be mostly cloudy but pleasant temperatures. Mostly cloudy again tomorrow with a chance of rain between sunrise and noon, and then basically mostly cloudy the rest of the evening. But look out Wednesday. That looks like to be the rain day for us. Well, alrighty. Have a pleasant night, everyone. Sweet dreams, and I hope to talk to you again tomorrow night. And until then, good night, and may God bless each and every one of you. Good night.